just be some B-roll. Okay, and that'll do it. With the combined efforts of me and the wife, we have acquired a dough ball. Dun, 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 dun. What will be the first of many pretzels? So we're going to take this little bit of dough and roll it out. Stretch it. It's very hard to do one-handed, so I'm just going to try to give you guys an idea of what I'll be doing with the dough, and then like do it on a bigger scale when I actually have both hands. So this is how you roll out the pretzel, and then you make a U. Make a U, right? Stretch it out. Stretch you out. And then you do, let me get a little assistance from good old gravity. Because you want a nice big U. So you, like so. And you twist it. And leave like a little opening, right, like so. And then you twist it again. And you grab the feet of the pretzel and you just move it over like that. So that's what I'm going to do, but I'm going to do it on a bigger scale so it actually looks like a pretzel instead of a garlic knot. But if you wanted to do garlic knots, hey. But I'm going to go ahead and start doing this. After this, you dip it in the solution right here, this baking soda solution, and you let it sit there for a little while, and then we're going to pop it on these. So I'm going to do that with two hands, so I'm going to power down the camera and I'll show you the after the fact. Alright, this is what we got. I mean, first time attempt, it looked more like, you know, weirdly shaped biscuits. I don't know what happened this part. You seen better days. In the next, if this is popular and you know the video, if it gets it good, I'll probably try it again and try to make the pretzels more longer, because I think I made them too thick, especially this one, but it looks like it's gonna be really good. Because I forgot to take into the fact that dough will increase in size when heat gets into the equation. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to remember that for next time if I decide to do pretzels. I'm gonna go ahead and add some butter to these. Just kind of brush some butter on them. And then I'm gonna season them because I have 3 different kind of pretzels that we're going with. And that'll be in the weeks to follow. But for this week, I'll go ahead and do a flavor, and then I'll do a flavor until I do all the flavors. So yeah, let's go ahead and get on to the next part of this video. Alright guys, the pretzels didn't quite turn out like I would have hoped, but this was the first time, you know, messing with dough really. I was really excited to actually get a dough ball made because I was like, wow, I did it. And you know, she helped a lot. It was really fun making a dough ball, and I would definitely enjoy doing this again next year. So if you guys like it, then you know, let me know by hitting the like button. Because if you guys don't, you know, let me know that you like something, then it makes it harder for me to plan these videos. But if I see that you guys really like something, then it makes it easier to plan out next year's content. Because I've been doing pretzels, you know, Auntie Anne's April for the past couple of years. And when I moved, in Louisiana, I was 30 minutes away from Auntie Anne's. But over here, well, we kind of have a drive, so I don't know. I think in the time it took me to make the pretzels, I could have drove and come back. So we'll figure it out next year what exactly I want to do. If I want to like do like a combination of getting some plain pretzels and then putting a spin on them, like a little twist, or you know, I'll think about it. But Grace is really eyeing these pretzels. They're not very pretty, but I found the dough came out really good taste-wise. And go ahead and I'll let her pick one, and this will be being that it's Tennessee, I figured we'd do the Nashville hot chicken as a pretzel. So we have the Nashville hot chicken pretzel. Sounds good, doesn't it? She's not really into spicy food, but I'm like really into it. But I have some barbecue sauce, so Rachel can put a lot more to cover up the heat, or she can put less. She's not really a sauce person, so we'll see what she does. And you know, it's a cute little pretzel. It's really, you know, fat. They're little and fat because I didn't make the dough twist narrow enough. I had like really thick. Like if you do this, like if your dough looks like this shape, and you know you do your little twist, this is what you get. So try to get even thinner than your pinky when you're twisting them, and you'll get better pretzels than I made. You know, but I mean really, the shape is like not very good. I don't give myself a good grade on the shape, but the taste, So the barbecue Nashville hot chicken pretzel. What you think?
It's good. It's not too hot like I thought it was gonna be. It's about right. It's good.
And now, my buddy, who I actually met in Tennessee, he's from Indiana. So when I heard he was gonna want to do a guest spot, I was like, well, I could do like an Indiana themed pretzel. But then I was like, I'm not familiar enough with Indiana, so I'm familiar with Tennessee and I'm familiar with Louisiana. And being that I met him in Tennessee, I figured I'd have his guest spot in the Tennessee themed pretzel. So we're gonna go ahead and go on over with Ryan, the entrepreneur, and his wonderful wife as they close out the video. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys had a tasty Thursday.
Oh, no, it's good.
Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Matlock, the entrepreneur.
And I'm Hannah Matlock.
And you've been watching Tasty Thursdays, another smashing episode. In fact, that whole pretzel thing, the whole plot twist there, it really threw me for a loop. Anyway, continue to join us for join Blaine for Tasty Thursdays, and continue to subscribe to him and like his videos and all of that stuff. And if you Want to check out our stuff? I'm over here on the Entrepreneur channel and all the other stuff. I'm at Ryan Matlock on Twitter.
Have a great Thursday.
Subscribe if you want to. I think you should hit that bell. That way you can hear Blaine say, oh, which food tastes well. Have a tasty Thursday. Happy tasty Thursday to you. My name's Landon and you should definitely subscribe to see more.